Morning guys. Maulan. 10:30 na ata ng umaga. Kanina pa ako gising eh. Kaya lang doon lang kami sa bed. Silang tulog pa. Actually gising na siya pero ayaw niya pa bumangon. I think he wants to have pancakes today. So prepare ko lang. Gusto niya siya gumawa nito eh. So ito. Yung lalagyan mo lang ng tubig tapos ready na. My battery is dying. Wala kami masyadong plano today. Pupuntahan namin yung papa niya para ibigay yung gift. Kasi Father's Day ngayon sa Australia. So, before namin ibigay yung gift, pupuntahan muna namin sa Kmart yung gift na ibibigay namin sa kanya. So, bibigyan namin siya ng mug na mayroon picture namin, 200. Tapos siya, tapos yung asawa niya sa picture, nandun. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys mamaya. And then, we will get him a frame as well. Malaking frame na mayroong picture namin sa wedding. So, yun yung ibibigay namin sa kanya. And then, what am I gonna have for breakfast? I don't know. Mag-i-edit lang ako ng vlog, guys. Well, hinihintay ko na. Sasabihin ko sana, well, hinihintay ko na bumangon. Ayun. Morning, babe. We still have boiling water then. I literally just finished boiling it. Dito kami sa Kmart. Look at this, guys. $5 lang. Ano na siya? Jumper. Workout jumper. Maghanap ako ng workout top. Char! Mag-workout daw kami ni Dan bukas. Pupunta kami ng gym. So, let's look for something nice. $6 lang siya, oh. Meron akong mga sports bra, kaya lang ayoko mag-sports bra lang. I need to wear a top. So, let's look for one. Wala, $3 lang, oh. Gusto ko sana ganito, pero pambabae, wala. Yung long sleeve. Meron sa mga lalaki, oh. Wala sila pambabae. This one is only $10. The other one is $8. Bibili kami ng present para kay Eli. So we're thinking of getting this. Ano siya? Tumatayo siya, guys. You like that one? You like that one better? How much is this one?
Same price.
Oh, really? Ito, oh, tumatayo siya, guys. Yeah, it's up to you. Do you think he will like that better? Like, will he actually use it? I think this one is more fun. Because he can hear that.
Okay.
You think?
Okay.
Yeah, let's get that. Naiwan namin yung jacket. Naiwan niya yung jacket niya. Libot-libot na kami. Oh my gosh, babe. How embarrassing. Here, give me all the clothes. Hinahanap niya ako. I found it. I found the shoe rack. This one. Start. Oh, we need a bag. Can you get a bag, please? We need a bag now because it will. Thank you, babe.
Welcome. Unexpected item in bagging area. Remove this item. If you have a Flybuys card, please scan it now.
Ano namin yung mug? Ano ba yan? Wait. The mug, guys. Ooh, nice. Cute.
How did the colour turn out? It's a bit light.
It's alright.
It'll do the job.
Cool. But, when are we gonna give this?
I don't know.
Busy yung papa niya eh. Wala sila sa bahay. Wait. That's nice. Oh, I thought we were gonna print a picture as well. Not now.
A what?
Yeah. He said he would print a big picture and give him a big frame.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's go. Uwi na kami. Ay, hindi. Punta kami Rundle Mall. We will go to Best and Less. Kasi bibilhan namin si Eli ng 4th power stuff instead of yung piano-piano. Dito kami sa Coco, bubble tea. And meron kaming free, guys. Kasi yung bubble tea ko na na mayroong stamp, naka-10 na kami. So meron kami free isa. Dalawa. And then pupunta kami dun sa Meyer. Dun. To have lunch. I'll go 2 choices as well. Rice. Rice and then soy chicken and crispy chicken. Thank you. Yum! Kain tayo, guys. Kain. Sarap ito, bubble tea. Large yung inano ko. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ano ko. So, akin, 2 choices with rice. $10 lang siya. Soy sauce chicken, tapos crispy chicken, tapos kay Dan, soy sauce chicken, and then, salt and pepper squid. Kain. Dito ako sa Forever New. I'll be trying on these. 3. Para sa wedding sana. Sana meron ako magustuhan. Punta kami sa Best and Less. Maghanap kami ng court stuff para kay Eli. And yung sa mga tinry ko, wala akong nagustuhan. Yung last na tinry ko yung dress. Sabi ni Dan, ang tsaka-tsaka. Lumapit talaga yung, yung sales lady dun. Sabi niya, ang ganda kaya. Kasi si Dan parang harsh sa pakinggan. Like, ang tsaka-tsaka. Barit mo yan. Ganun. Oh well. I have an honest man right here. $10 from 22. I'll try it on right now. Do we have a mirror? I'll just do it now. Oh, it feels so comfy. Feel me. Feel me. Feel me. So nice, man. Port power. I don't know. What's his size?
This is 3. That's 4.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that will fit him. $8 only. Yan lang yung gift mo. That's your gift. We should have gotten him the Yeah. This one, babe. Oh, this is 2. But look at this. This is cute.
How big?
Dito pala kami sa Target. No, it's 2, but it's really cute.
No, it's not.
Ito lang yung pinunta namin dito, guys. Sa Port Power. Asa na si Dan? Danny! Hinanap niya ako. Doon siya. Ito siya, guys. Oops, wala. Where is he? He's gone. Ba? Ow! Abuse! I got this. I-wrap namin yung gift para kay Eli na wala pa. Hindi pa namin nabili. We will go to Kmart. Dito sa Random Mall. Let's go, babe.
You're scary.
Oh my god. Hala, you have something like this. The bowl of raisin. Right?
Yeah.
We are home! Kakarating lang namin. Siguro mga 5-10 minutes ago. I posted a picture on Instagram. Nagpa-picture ako kay Dan on the way sa where pinark ko yung car. Meron ako nakita na, wait, pakita ko sa inyo. If you follow me on Instagram, nakita niya na. But meron ako nakita na gate na brown. Ito. Sabi ko, picturean mo nga ako dyan, babe. Tapos yung dito din niya may yellow tsaka blue. So, colorful siya. So, blue, gray. Gray yung nasa pathway. Anyway, tatanggalin ko lang yung contacts ko. And some of you guys asked me, paano ko daw natatanggal yung contacts ko na mahaba yung nails ko? Well, some of you thought na yung nails ko peke. Hindi siya fake. Totoong nail siya. Nasabi ko na siya sa previous video ko. But I'm used to taking off my contacts with my long nails. Kasi sanay na ako. Matagal na ako merong long nails. Pero parang ito ata yung pinaka-longest. Or maybe not. I don't know. Before, sobrang haba talaga ng nails ko. But what I do is I use my, base ng finger ko. So, I just do that. Easy. Yun lang, guys. Hindi naman siya mahirap. Kasi hindi naman siya, as in, sobrang haba talaga. Siguro mahaba lang siya tingnan, pero hindi talaga siya ganun kahaba. So, it's easy. Hindi ko nga natatouch. Hindi natatouch ng kuko ko yung mata ko, yung eyeball ko. So, okay lang. Do you need headphones?
Do you want to have it?
Yeah, please. I'm gonna vlog. Just use that. Careful. Okay. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga pinamili namin kanina kasi di ba mag-workout kami bukas. We will wake up at 6 in the morning para mag-workout. Nakakalawa tong si Danny Boy. Anyway, we got workout clothes from Kmart para sa akin tsaka para sa kanya. And then, I got some shirts from Kmart as well na on clearance. So, I got this one. Bibigay ko to kay Mama Lu. It's size 10 pero di naman siya ganun kalaki. Like, parang kasya nga siya sa akin eh. So, it's a workout top. Bibigay ko to kay Mama. Kasi naka-sale siya, guys. And this is something na she will wear. So, bibigay ko yun sa kanya. And meron ako malaking box. Diba, naghanap ako ng malaking box para sa para sa mga damit. Meron ako kasi I got a package from AMI Clubwear. And then I got this top as well. Sana wala pa ako ng ganitong kulay. Naka-sale kasi siya. Tapos ang ganda kasi ng material na ito. This is size small. And I think this will fit Marlon. Yan. And then ko yung hanger. Parang sabi ata ni Dan na meron daw nagsabi na hindi daw pwede. Like, we do self-checkout all the time. And meron namang merong nanunood sa amin. And they don't really mind. They don't care. This one is from $10, $3 na lang siya. Same as nung isa. Iba lang yung kulay niya. I didn't buy hat this time kasi feeling ko lahat na ng style ng hat sa Kmart nabili ko na. Kasi hinihintay ko na mag-sale. And then, ito na yung mga workout stuff, guys. Oh, no. Before that, merong jeans na naka-sale din. First time ko bumili ng jean kasi naka-sale siya. This is size 28. So, isa sa mga boys makakasuot na to. $25 originally. $10 ko siya nabili. And yeah, jeans lang siya na meron siyang mga rip-rip. Yan. Nice. Slim fit. Char. Kaso kay Marwin. Yan. And then, workout clothes. So, I got this. This is size 6. Ano siya? $8. Yan. Nice. And then this one is $6. Looks like that. Hindi marami yung binili ko kasi sabi ko, paano kapag hindi ko nagustuhan pumunta sa gym, di ba? Tapos si Dan bumili din siya. First is this one here. Blue lang siya, guys. Na breathable yung niya, material niya. See? Very nice. That one is, how much is that one? $8. And then this one is black. $8 din siya. Black na meron, 8 or 6? 8. Black na merong print na ganyan. Para kay Danny Boy. Yun lang. And then, nagpunta kami sa Randall Mall, diba? Bumili kami nitong top para kay Eli. Galing sa Target. Yeah. Kasi yun sa kanya. This was originally $12. Naka-sale siya ng $8 na lang. Mura lang siya. I-wrap ko na to ngayon na. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung kailan ako magkaka-time. And pag birthday pa ni Eli, meron akong trabaho. So, hindi ako makakapunta. And then, we got this as well. From Kmart. So, ano siya guys? Piano. Tapos, babe! It has a little stool. Babe! It has a chair. Look at it. A stool.
Sure.
It is a stool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Magugustuhan to ni Eli. Meron ba itong price? No, it doesn't matter. Lalagay ko to sa ilalim. Not ilalim. I'll just put it in here, babe. Yeah. Diyan. And then i-wrap ko siya. Ganda na wrapping paper, oh.
That's with $5.
Nagluluto ako nito, guys.
And
Bansi.
that's about 30,000 pesos.
Si Dan kinakausap niya si Miss.
Oh god.
I think that's too much. I think.
Maybe not.
Ito. Tinatry ko lang yung iba-ibang color.
How much postage is? Oh god. Your sister's filming us.
What are you doing? Are you showing off?
No, I'm showing her our food.
You are showing off.
I'm so Brando. I'm Brando.
Yeah.
Mr. Chips! Did you show her?
I've got to show you Mr. Chips as well.
Yeah.
Yes. There must be
I'm cooking.
Asian groceries in New Zealand.
She just said it. Expensive. Close ko na yung vlog, guys. Matutulog na kami. Wala pang 9, pero maaga kami matutulog kasi mag-workout kami bukas, char. We will go to the gym, char. Maaga. So, before 6, dapat gising na kami because we're planning to be there at 6. So, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to be good night. Good night, babe. Good night.